Credit repair hack number 38. As you may know, when you have a negative item on your credit report like a late payment, collection, or a charge-off, the most effective method in removing these negative items and restoring your credit score is by disputing inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable information with the three credit bureaus Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. However, what you may not know is that when Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion receive the dispute that you just sent, they go ahead and turn around to the four smaller companies like LexisNexis, Innovis, CoreLogic, and ARS.
100% true.
Big three reach out to the four smaller bureaus. They're trying to verify the information you recently disputed to keep it on your credit report. The problem is that 99% of the time, the information is going to match up at these four smaller companies, which is why when you've disputed information in the past, it comes back as verified.
Now, this is the exact reason why when we set out to create Dispute Beast in 2021, we didn't want to create a software that only addressed Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, but also LexisNexis, Innovis, ARS, Clarity, CoreLogic, and all of the rest of the secondary bureaus. But we didn't stop there, because when you're doing credit repair, you got to be able to attack at every single level. We're talking about creditors and collectors as well. We gave you the option to do that too. We wanted to make sure that you had a comprehensive credit repair effort to give you the best chance to give you the results that you're looking for. So while everybody else out there is charging you 30 or 40 bucks and giving you the absolute bare minimum, for less than 50 bucks a month, you can do it better than any credit repair professional in the history of credit repair. So do yourself a favor and go over to beastdiy.com so you can get your credit repair started today.